Engage and experiment.
Have it perform a task that provides value to you.
We have to do it now. We're not talking about a year. You can't wait for a year. You have to do it now.
A lot of the things that are difficult for us, right? Summarizing a large amount of text and so on, right? I think that's where ChatGPT is really going to come into play.
I think really trying it is the best thing to do. Do it with a cohort, do it with some colleagues, compare notes, and refine your vision of how this can create value for you and your organization.
Make sure you're not too far behind the curve on it. Jump in, feet first, and play around with it, and find ways to help it improve your life.
It's not going away. Find a way to incorporate it into your business plans, because that's what's going to get at least the Wisconsin manufacturers to the next level.